guys, it's Jasmine Rosario. So today I'm going to be basically reviewing the Truly Beauty Powerpuff Girls collection, and I'm just going to kind of go over some of the products that I have purchased with my own money just to kind of get a feel of what each of the different products they do, how they perform on my skin, and overall my thoughts on them. So I have basically I just bought some of these individually. I didn't buy like the actual lunchbox. I prefer the lunchbox because I think the lunchbox is really cute. So I just went ahead and just bought them individually. So to start off, I bought these cute little Pimple Power Packs by the Powerpuff Girls X Truly. And I just think these are just the cutest little things ever. Obviously I haven't tried them yet, but I really want to try it because they just look so cute in a little packet. I've tried their Pimple Power Packets, the original ones that they have, but I just didn't like how they included the Powerpuff Girls, like the actual little girls in here. So I thought that was really cute that they did that. The next thing is the Super Fierce Power Shine Pre-Shave Serum, which I adore very much. I like to put this before and after I shave, and I really love how the bottle just complements the actual little heart, like in the intro. Everything is really cute, and how Blossom is right here in the middle, how it symbolizes her. And the smell too, I just love, like, every one of their products has like an amazing smell. Like the smell I just love it. Like it smells between a combination of like strawberries and like watermelon, and I just love it. It just smells so good. And the applicator too, like it's basically like the other applicators that they have, but this one's a little bit more skinnier, and it just, I don't know, I just think it's so cute. But this is the pre-shave serum here. Next I purchased the No Troubles Bubbles Super Smooth Shave Cream, which I think is also so cute. It has the little heart on it with bubbles on it. She's so cute. And she's here in the bottom. And this is what the product actually looks like, the colors. Obviously I dug my fingers in it quite a bit, but I just love it because not only the smell, but it has the blueberry, blue tansy, and the marlua oil and the hyaluronic acid that's in it. I actually prefer this one as a backup than my Cocoa Cloud, because the Cocoa Cloud I started using not too long ago, and I actually do prefer the Cocoa Cloud. Like that's like my go-to when I shave. Like I buy it so much. Like I recommend that they expand it more, meaning like they make a bigger bottle, like they did I think the Cocoa Fudge or the Rose Fudge one. They really need to make a bigger one. Like you'd be amazed at how many people purchase the Cocoa Cloud in a day, and it's just for a tiny little bottle. So if they actually expand it, like people will get more out of their buck, even though they don't need too much of it. But it's still nice to have like a bigger version. But this is No Troubles Bubbles. I used this about a good 2 times, and I love how it performs. Like I just love like how it lathers on my skin, and I like how it's not too harsh, even though you can kind of see like the little grains that are inside. I don't know if you can see, they're like all around here. They're little blue tansy grains in there. So I love how this product gives me a really close shave, but it doesn't like hurt. Like when I shave, it doesn't feel like it's too harsh on my skin. But I really love how it just performs. I love the smell, and I love how the smell still stays on my legs after I shave. So that's a bonus about this one. Next is the What's Up Buttercup. I use this one pretty much all the time, even if I don't shave or not. I like to use it. I consider this one as like a moisturizer for my legs. It's just, I love it. I can't explain to you how soft it is on my legs. Like it's so hydrating. It makes my legs really soft. I don't know how to explain it. It's just an amazing feeling on my legs. But it's the mixed with the avocado, kiwi, and niacinamide hyaluronic acid. And it has the little Buttercup on here. It's down here. And this is the super soft aftershave butter. So you don't really, like I said, you don't really need too much of it. But since I've used it like 2 or 3 times, that's probably why it looks like this. But I didn't even need that much because technically a little goes a long way. So if you were to use the little scooper or the spatula they have exclusive online, or you use your fingers, however you prefer, you really don't need that much, because it just gives it that nice feeling to your legs. Also, if you were to put too much, it makes it a little bit more greasier, if that makes sense. So a little goes a long way. So you, like I said, this product will last you, so you don't need that much for this. And I really liked it because I had went out on a date with my fiance not too long ago, and I had this product with it, and I really loved how it just made my legs smooth and like hydrated, since we're in the winter months. And I just love that, because it gave me that like secure feeling that my legs were going to be hydrated throughout the day. So this product is definitely a good product to have. Next thing is the razor that they did with the Powerpuff Girls. So this is what the little razor looks like. It has the little floral patterns on it with the actual colors of the girls. And then this is kind of like what the little razor looks like. So you kind of have like the little jelly pads here of the soap. And I believe this is a 5-blade razor, if I'm not mistaken. So you have a really good application and a really good grip, because it's actually heavier, so you have a stronger grip and more precise and when you're shaving. And this gives you an amazing close shave too. So I actually really like how their razors have that effect on my legs, because I have really thick leg hair. So I like how this razor does the job for me, and it doesn't even need to do that much for my legs, but I love how it has that, you know, comfort for me. But overall, the products that I've purchased, what I could tell you is that my favorite out of the entire Powerpuff Girl collection, I would probably have to say the Buttercup. I really love Buttercup the most out of the No Troubles Bubbles and the Super Fierce Pre-Shave Serum. And then obviously the little patches. The patches I was going to give a go, but I kind of wanted to save like how they look like in the little packet. But I have previously tried their Pimple Power Packets, the original ones they came out with, not with the girls, but obviously the original ones that they've had, like the hearts and the stars and the hemp ones. So I can tell you for a fact these are going to do the job too. But I just wanted to leave them in the little packet because they're really cute, because it has the girls in them. So I just wanted to keep them in there. But overall, this is my favorite product out of the collection. I just love how it's hydrating to my legs. I love how it leaves a nice smell and a really nice glow to my legs. So I just really love it. And like I said, you don't need that much, because this product will last you, because it claims that if you were to put too much, you know, your legs will be very greasy, and you obviously don't want that. You want your legs to be, you know, a workable glow, a workable hydrating at the same time. So like I said, this product goes a long way for you, and this will last you. Going over the price range, I want to say that the Pimple Power Packets are $13 in range of price. So it's really not that bad, because you get a lot in here, and they really do work. So you get a decent amount for here. The razor is, I want to say, $20, and between the serum, I want to say is $20 or $30. I think it's $25 for this guy here. Buttercup is $30, and then No Troubles Bubbles is $25. So altogether, if you were to buy it with the lunchbox, will be almost $100. But individually, it would be like $98 if you were to purchase it online individually, or you have discount codes and stuff like that, or you catch them on sales. But personally, I just purchased them individually because I just kind of wanted to just try the products. I know I should have waited until I got the lunchbox, or when the lunchbox released, but I was so eager to try it because, like, who would not try it if, the Powerpuff Girls weren't on here? But I've used Truly before. I'm really satisfied with the brand. Like I said, I just have a whole cabinet dedicated to Truly in my bathroom. Like, I have from serums to butters to scrubs, pre-shaves, and obviously the Powerpuff Girl collection, like these ones, and even the razors. So overall, I'm very satisfied with the collection. The only thing that I could say is that for the shave cream, maybe just a little bit more, because I know that the grains are meant for the tansy or the little grains in here. The only problem I had with it is when I kind of rubbed it on my legs, it felt a little too rough at first, and then after I wet it with water, then it was a little bit more smoother. So I do recommend that when you apply this, you know, have a little water and then just, you know, smear it on. Don't go like bare with it, because, you know, you're gonna feel a little roughness, or in other words, it's not smooth, if that makes sense. So that's the only thing I have with this, but that was my fault because of application. But overall, I really like the Truly brand. I love the collaboration they did with the Powerpuff Girls. So I would probably say the most that I got out of was the What's Up Buttercup. This one, hands down, is the one I really, really do enjoy. But yeah, like I said, the collection is still available online. They actually have the lunchbox online, but for a limited time. So if you guys get the chance, you know, hurry up and get it, because you never know how long it's gonna stay. I know it's available on their website individually. I know Ulta sells it as well, so it's not too late to get your hands on it to try it. But I definitely would recommend the What's Up Buttercup and the Serum. This one is really, really good, and the smell also works well with this too afterwards. But yeah, that is my review on the Truly Beauty collaboration with the Powerpuff Girls. And I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video. I will post here pretty soon. I've just been busy a little lately. So yeah, I just want to do this cute little review. So there you go. See you guys in the next one.